With your phone out, snapping like you Fable. And you showing off, but it's alright. And you showing off, but it's alright. It's a short life, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I am back with a look, honey. As you can tell from the title, today I will be doing a full face full of NYX Cosmetics products. Now this is my first time ever doing a full face, and this is my first time using each and every single product that I feature in this look today. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this glam bam simple, easy, affordable look, then stay tuned and continue watching. But before I let you see the good stuff, if you're new to this channel, stop what you're doing, pause the video, get out of here, go on my homepage, subscribe to this channel. Also, I'm gonna need you all to hit that notification bell and join the gang so you're notified every single time I drop a new video, because I got some heat coming, okay? So definitely hit that notification bell, subscribe to the channel, and continue watching. here we have it, dolls. This is the final look. I had so much fun filming this look. I'm absolutely loving each and every single product that I used today, and I am guaranteed to definitely use it again. I paired today's look with my MINK lashes from my lash collection. If you dolls are interested in purchasing a pair of lashes, then a link will be in the description box below. I also paired today's look with some bomb bundles from my hair collection. I'm rocking some Filipino body. A link will also be in the description box if you're interested in shopping some new hair for the new season. What do you dolls think though? Let me know. Like, leave me some feedback in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this look. Give me another thumbs up if you'd like to see more looks like this. Let me know in the comment section below what videos you would like to see from me. And thank you again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you dolls in my next video. Bye, dolls.